Bonjour et bienvenue. In this class, les articles définis. We learn the definite article, the. We learn in French. We have already learned les articles and définis, the indefinite articles. Un, une, and the plural form, they. Un livre, a textbook. Un is used for all masculine singular nouns. Une table, a table. Une is used for all feminine singular nouns, and the plural form, they, is used for all plurals, masculine or feminine. Now, definite article, the. Le is used for all masculine singular nouns starting with a consonant. La is used for all feminine singular nouns beginning with a consonant, and for all plurals, irrespective of gender, we use les, les. So, we have got le, la, les. And one more, L apostrophe, the application of which we'll discuss on the screen. Le livre. Livre is masculine singular, so le. La table. Table is feminine singular, so la. Plural form, livre, table. Irrespective of gender, we use les. Please understand le, la, les. All these three mean the. So, le, le, is used for masculine singular nouns. Example, le garçon. La is used for feminine singular nouns. La fille. Les, les, is used for all plural nouns, masculine or feminine. But be aware of this point. Le, le, in front of a masculine singular noun, starting with a vowel or H mute, becomes L apostrophe. La, la, in front of a feminine singular noun starting with a vowel or H mute, becomes L apostrophe. This is because a monosyllabled word like le, la, meeting the next word beginning with a vowel or H mute is avoided in French language. Whenever they meet, we make small changes in the spelling of the monosyllabled word. Here, le and la are changed into L apostrophe. The meaning remains same, but there is a small change in the spelling. So, L apostrophe is nothing but either le or la. Le or la. So, the definite article the takes four equivalent words in French. Le, la, L apostrophe, and les. Examples on the screen: le garçon, la fille, l'oiseau, l'homme, l'avenue, l'horloge, les garçons, les filles, les oiseaux, les horloges. Le, la, les, L apostrophe meaning the. Definite article the. On the screen, there are two pictures and two sentences. C'est un chien. This is a dog. C'est une balle. This is a ball. Repeat. C'est un chien. C'est une balle. This is a dog. This is a ball. Maintenant, now, où est le chien? Where is the dog? Le chien est sur la balle. The dog is on the ball. Repeat after me. Le chien est sur la balle. Sur, yes you are. Sur, ça veut dire on. a preposition. Sur. Le chien est sous la belle. Sous, S-O-U-S. Sous, ça veut dire under. Repeat after me. Le chien est sous la belle. Sur means on. Sous means under. Another preposition. Keep writing these contents in your notebook and practice. Look at the screen. Le chien est entre les balles. The dog is between the balls. Entre means between. Repeat after me. Le chien est entre les balles. Third preposition we learned is entre. Entre means between. Sur, sous, entre. Maintenant, le chien est derrière la belle. Repeat, derrière, behind. The next preposition. Repeat, le chien est derrière la belle. When you write and practice the contents of this video lesson, you will get used to accents in French. And whenever you practice, pronounce the words loudly. Où est le chien maintenant? Le chien est devant la belle. Repeat, le chien est devant la belle. In front of the ball. Devant means in front of. We have some exercises to do. Have a look at the exercises. Go through this video lesson once or twice. Understand the content. Then start doing. Bonne chance. With the help of the picture, answer to the question. Où est la balle? Where is the ball? Answer in French. Write down in your notebook. Fill the blanks with a suitable definite article. Le, la, l'apostrophe or les. After completing this exercise, you may go through the video again to validate your answers. I bid you goodbye. Subscribe to this channel for the automatic notifications of lessons. Bye-bye.